The LawnMaster LT506-2000A Electric Pressure Washer delivers a powerful cleaning performance with its maximum pressure of 2,300 pounds per square inch and a flow rate of 1.4 gallons per minute. This pressure washer comes with 3 different nozzle options, allowing you to customize the spray strength for various cleaning tasks, from removing grime to tackling rust and mud. Included with the LawnMaster LT506-2000A is a foam bottle that sprays aerated foam, making it ideal for car cleaning and ensuring a thorough wash. The device features an extended reach with a 20-foot high-pressure hose and a 35-foot power cord, making it easy to cover large areas without constantly moving the unit. A hub brush is also included, specifically designed for cleaning car wheels, enhancing the versatility of this pressure washer. Additionally, a general-purpose brush is provided to help remove stuck-on dirt and mud, making this unit a comprehensive cleaning solution.